everyone, welcome back to animation. Hope you all are doing good. So as we are discussing about the algebraic expressions, till now we have discussed about the terminologies whatever we are going to use in the algebra, and then how many types of algebraic expressions are there, and then about the degree of the algebraic expression, how to find out it, right? If you don't go up to now, you don't go through that videos, you please go back and saw the videos and see the videos, and you can clearly understand what are the algebraic expressions are. Clear? And my last video was about the additions. Now today we are going to discuss. So I think so you have clearly understood about the addition. Now today we are going to discuss about what is the next about the addition. After addition, what we'll do? Generally, everyone know it. It is subtraction. So we are going to discuss about subtraction. So subtraction means what? Same, right? Numbers, one number to another number, subtraction. Same, but in algebraic expression it's quite difficult to do it. That I am here to make it easy. Okay? Subtracting two algebraic expressions. So subtraction I am writing. This also we can do it in the both the ways, like in addition I said you, right? In horizontal and vertical way we are going to do. In the same way we are going to do horizontal, vertical. Okay, two methods we are going to see. To see that how to do, we'll see first. We'll take one example. Okay, one example here. 2x square plus 3xy plus 2 subtract from, question you listen properly, 4x square minus 6xy plus 2. What did they ask you? Read the question properly. So many will do the mistake here only. 2x square plus 3xy plus 2 subtract from 4x square minus 6xy plus 2. Clear? What did they say? Particular expression 1 should be subtracted from expression 2. So which expression we supposed to write first? Which expression? The first expression or the second expression? We supposed to write the second expression first. Listen the question properly, read the question properly before we solve it. If we read the question properly, then we can do it in an easy way. Clear? Or else we are total problem. We'll get the answer. In any way we'll get the answer. But our answer will be wrong. That's it. So, read the question properly and answer the question. The basic, nowadays we are not having a patience to read the complete question also. Right? We should have that patience. Clear? We're supposed to read it. Expression 1 should be subtracted from expression 2. So, which expression we are going to write first? Expression 2. Clear? You may think it quite easy, like addition. In addition, whatever expression you write, first or second, no problem, nothing will happen. But in subtraction, make sure that which expression should be written first. So, here our second expression should be written first. Okay? First expression is the first step. 4x square minus 6xy plus 2. What operation we are doing here? Minus. Right? Mention minus. What did I say? Brackets you keep. Right? Bracket. And here a bracket. 2x square plus 3xy plus 2. In addition, if you keep brackets or not also, it may be easy for us. But in subtraction, no. Compulsory. Now write in step 2. 4x square minus 6xy plus 2, as it is you write it off. Now this minus is there, no? We should multiply inside. If nothing is there, what did I say? Plus. Nothing is there, plus. Minus into plus. I think so you people know this. Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus. Minus. Both minus, plus. Right? Same concept we are using here. Minus into plus, minus 2x square. Minus into plus, minus 3x square. Minus into plus, minus 2. Now after this, all the expression should be, whichever having the same variable should be written here. Okay. 4x square, first expression. Where is the x square? Here xy is there, here 2 is there, here x square, my x square. Any else are there? No. So, what symbol it is having? Minus. Even symbol also we should carry on. 2x square. Then next is minus 6xy. After xy, wherever it is here, minus 3xy. Okay. Then next plus 2. Here it is minus 2. Okay. Now, plus 4 minus 2. 1 plus 1 minus. What we should do? 1 plus 1 minus, minus you have to do. See, remember. Plus means plus you do. 1 minus, both minus, plus you do. But the symbol it will get minus. 1 minus, 1 plus, minus. Minus plus minus. Addition or subtraction I am talking. Here it is not multiplication. When we talk about multiplication, these rules we have to use. When we talk about addition and subtraction, this rule we have to use. Okay? 1 plus 1 minus. So we have to subtract it. 4 minus 2, 2. Variable should be written as it is. Bigger number is having plus sign, so it should be plus. Then both are having minus. So minus you write it off. It should be added. 6 plus 3, 9. The variable should be written as it is x, y. Then 1 plus 1 minus. Both are having 2, 2. So it is 0. Over. It is what our horizontal subtraction. Now we'll see the vertical subtraction with the same example. Okay. Now first write this second expression. 4x square minus 6xy plus 2. After that, after writing the first expression 4x square minus 6xy plus 2, then go for our second expression, whatever should be written. That is what? 2x square. Variable should be same, that you remember. Plus 3xy plus 2. In addition directly we have added. But the rule in the subtraction is what? The down expression is there, right? Their signs should be changed in the subtraction. This is the rule number 1 in the vertical addition. Here we are subtracting, right? We are multiplying here horizontally, minus symbol. But what is the rule here? That is whatever the symbols are there for the second expression should be changed. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is plus, it becomes minus. Plus, minus. Okay? 4 minus 2, 2x square. Minus 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 9xy. 1 plus 1 minus gets 0. So in this way, we are going to solve our subtraction algebraic problems. So one more example we'll see. So one more example. So this is our first example, right? The second example of the how to subtract. Six xy plus 2z plus 3 minus 2xy plus 3z minus 4. Okay? Directly I gave you. This is the horizontal way. In like this also they will be giving you. How we will do this now? Directly open the brackets. 6xy plus 2z plus 3. Now minus into plus. Minus 2xy. Minus into plus. Minus 3z. Minus into minus. Plus 4. Okay. Now write all the variables whichever are same that should be come together. Okay. 6xy. Where is xy? It is 2z. It is 3. It is xy. So minus 2xy plus 2z minus 3z plus 3 plus 4. Now add these two. 1 plus 1 minus 6 minus 2. 4xy minus z. 2, 3. Answer is what? 1. See, here I am not specifically mentioning the 1 here. Nothing is there. I said you 1. So we should not just write z. Bigger number is having minus, so it is minus. Plus 7. So in this way, we are going to solve how to solve the subtraction of an algebraic expression. Vertically we will see 6xy plus 2z plus 3. What is our second expression? 2y plus 3z minus 4, right? Now, what did I say? What to change in the subtraction? Just what to change? We have to change the symbols of the down second expression. We have to change the symbols of the second expression. So now it is plus, right? It becomes minus. It becomes minus. Now it is minus. What happens to it? It becomes plus. Now 6 minus 2. 4xy. Bigger number is having plus, so it is plus. 1 plus 1 minus. So what we have to do? Subtract. 3 minus 2, 1. So z I am writing, bigger number is having, so minus. Now both are having plus, what we have to do? We have to add it. So plus 7. So in this way, we are going to add or subtract two algebraic expressions. Sorry, in this video we have learned about subtraction only. The previous video was about addition. So you can clearly understand the concept how to add or subtract the algebraic expressions. So in this way we are going to solve, like we are going to subtract our algebraic expression. My next video will be about how to, like if you clumsy 3 or 4 algebraic like 4 expressions are added and then subtract from it, that sort of questions how to do, I am going to explain you. Clear? And watch the video till the end. Stay tuned to Anivision. Thank you.